Next, let's talk about bounce. So in this case, you would drive over a road with bumps and dips, basically the same as porpoising, so bridge abutments. You can also try driving over a speed bump, so for more of a low speed test. So if you have a problem with bounce, either the front, the rear, or both will just continue to bounce up and down for an excessive number of cycles. Just depending on the size and weight of your coach and how big the bump is, that kind of depends. But generally, if you're going past a couple cycles of up and down after a good sized bump, if it just keeps going, then that can be a sign that you've got an excessive issue with bounce. So this is unique compared to porpoising. So porpoising, again, is more of that cyclical thing where it goes down the front, up in the back, and then vice versa. Bounce, it could be the front axle on its own, the rear axle on its own, or maybe the whole thing if your shocks are really shot. But yeah, it was just kind of just an uncontrolled up and down movement of one or both axles independently from the other. So similar with porpoising, we want to look at your shocks. So are they worn out? Are they leaking? Are they inadequate? And similarly with porpoising, we also want to look at your ride height, especially with a diesel air ride coach. Again, make sure that this is being measured to the proper location and referencing the correct specifications, because for a given model of chassis, there could be multiple different suspension options available, so you want to make sure that the correct specifications are being referenced. And finally, weak springs can also lead to bounce. If they're just not strong enough to carry the weight of the coach, then that can lead to more of that feeling, especially if they're letting the whole suspension bottom out and bounce off the rebound bumpers.